Kashmir's dream of an all-weather surface link will turn into a reality today after the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi will inaugurate a rail link between Banihal to Kazigund in the valley. Dr. Singh and Sonia Gandhi will jointly be flagging off the first train at around 11:50 this morning on the 18-kilometer long section. The 8-coach train will start regular operations from Banihal to Baramulla from the 27th of June, and Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, along with other central ministers like Farooq Abdullah and Ghulam Nabi Azad, are expected to be present on the occasion. Well, for more on that, let's go across to Nazir. Nazir, now every year during the winters, we of course report about how roads leading to the valley are cut off because of snow. Hopefully, this train link will make that a thing of the past.
Yeah, it's going to make a huge difference. Now the Chenab Valley region is completely connected with the Kashmir Valley through this rail link now, and the country's longest tunnel, Pir Panjal Tunnel, which is 11 kilometers long, that is now today being inaugurated by the Prime Minister and UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi here at Banihal today. We see here a large number of people have come here, are coming here to attend this rally, which would be addressed by Prime Minister and UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi. So it's not just the development the issue which central government is saying. They are trying to reach out to the people of Jammu and Kashmir through these development projects. Like yesterday, Prime Minister addressed a gathering at Kishtwar when he laid a foundation stone for a hydroelectric project, and today inaugurating this rail tunnel, 11 kilometer long rail tunnel, which is the longest rail tunnel in the country and third longest in the Asia. So through these developmental projects, Government of India is now trying to reach out to the people, because it is the first visit of Prime Minister to Kashmir in last 3 years. Last time when he visited Kashmir was in 2010. His visit was followed by a civilian unrest in which more than 100 people have been killed. So there was a lot of cynicism, alienation, and Prime Minister has addressed those issues yesterday in his address as well. And we'll have to wait and see what Prime Minister Dr. Singh and Sonia Gandhi has to say, tell people here at Banihal, especially when his visit was overshadowed by a militant attack in Srinagar. Militants carried out a major attack in Srinagar in which 8 army soldiers were killed and 13 others were injured. Gargi.
All right, thanks so much for that, Nazir. Well, let's take a look at this report on how that tunnel is going to transform lives in Kashmir.
India's longest rail tunnel at Banihal in Kashmir will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on Wednesday. This 11 kilometers long tunnel is Asia's second longest after the Wuxioling tunnel in China.
न्यू ऑस्ट्रेलियन टनलिंग मेथड से बनाए हुए और इसमें सारे जो आधुनिक फैसिलिटीज़ होना चाहिए फॉर सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन के लिए, वेंटिलेशन है, सीसीटीवी कैमराज है, फायर हाइड्रेंट्स है, मतलब कोई भी अगर दुर्घटना घटता है तो उसको टैकल करने के लिए सभी तरह का सुविधा दिया है.
The tunnel, an engineering marvel, will connect Banihal and Kazigund towns in Kashmir and reduce the distance of 35 kilometers to just 17 kilometers, and will be an alternate link to Jawahar Tunnel, connecting Kashmir to the rest of the country. This tunnel will be crucial as the Jawahar Tunnel gets blocked by heavy snow most winters.
सबसे पहले बात है किराया कम पड़ जाएगा, रुपये 10 या 15 रुपये में. एक वो, दूसरा 2-2.5 घंटे हमको लगते थे बस या सोमो में जाने से, वो बच जाएगा, आधे घंटे में हम पहुंच जाएंगे. सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि विंटर्स में जो प्रॉब्लम आती थी, बर्फ थोड़ी सी गिर जाती थी, वो रास्ता बिल्कुल बंद होता था. अब वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं झेलनी पड़ेगी.
And while inclement weather has affected the pace of work, the tunnel will eventually make the valley accessible by train on the Jammu-Udhampur, Srinagar-Baramulla railway route.
ये जो हुआ है इतना आज तक हमने कभी न देखा है. ये तो पहले यूरोप वगैरह और ये चाइना में होता था, लेकिन अब हमारे इंडिया में भी पॉसिबल है.
With the completion of this tunnel, the train to Kashmir will soon become a reality. It will not just give boost to tourism here, but will also help in better connectivity of Kashmir with the rest of the country. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.